Today's lesson, how to draw a cartoon, Puff the Artist. Hey, it's John-Marc and welcome to today's lesson. We're going to be doing one of my characters from my FriendFish series. This is Puff. Alright, so basically he's a very simple character. It's a round circle that I build up first. I'm going to be working on his eyes, and then I'm just going to make him be drawing a little picture. Alright, he's an artist out of my FriendFish characters, and it's friendfish.biz. You can check out the website, or if you're on social media with Facebook, check it out there as well. Alright, so got his eyes looking down, got his mouth and his tongue up right now. Sticking out. A typical artist, I do that occasionally. Sometimes when you're drawing, you have your tongue out. It's kind of fun. This is just a simple sketch. Throughout this week, I'm going to be doing one daily of Puff amongst other lessons as well. Just a fun little break from some of my other drawings that I've been doing, teaching, and I just want to possibly show several more videos that have varieties for you day by day. A lot more videos coming my way for you guys. All right. Here he's holding a pencil or a crayon or a marker, whatever you want to say. As you can see, I built the actual crayon first, and then I had it wrap it around much easier. And I didn't erase the lines in there. So he's thinking, all right, and Puff has these two characters, little spots on him. He's a puffer fish, if you're wondering what type of fish he is. So he's not done yet. As you can see, the puffer fishes, they have those little spikes. So here we go. Let me just work on all those spikes right now around his body. He's a simple character to actually draw. Round circle and all these little bumps, almost like a mini sun. I'm going to systematically go through there. Okay, that's where the next one will be there. And here's the other one. Okay, and all the way around there. There we go. It's looking good. And that's the other fin holding the paper down. That's one of his back fins in the back, and the up one as well. There's the other one. He has two fins in the back. All right, looking good. Let's shade in that little eyebrow right there, like that. Makes us a little bit darker. Same thing. All right, let's get the little eyebrows. The eyes a little darker there. There you go. This is when you come back to the drawing and you just kind of emphasize a little bit more in-depth little lines control. This is just a sketch, as always, and I just want to really make sure that you understand that the reality of drawing in what a lot of people are teaching is not the sketching anymore, and that's a very sad thing for me to see, because sketching is what helps your creativity and your thinking and your flow of your drawing. Working with a magic marker and just doing straight lines one at a time is not really what I would like to say is the right way of actually learning how to draw. This is more traditional as well as fine art. When you're drawing on traditional paper or on the computer, as I'm doing right now, I'm still sketching. And then from that, you take it to another layer or take it to your light box and you clean it up. This is traditional animation, 2D classic animation. They'll even rougher than this when you're doing the extremes for the animation, and then you get the in-betweeners, and then you do the cleanup artists. All right, so there's working on that little pencil sketch that he has just sketched out there, a little fun little line stroke, and here's a piece of paper. And let's make the paper bent. I have that little folding up and that little holding it down there. That's looking good. All right, that's looking good. I like that. I'm just going around and just making it a little darker, a little bit more in depth. There you go. There you go. All right, that's looking good. What else can I do now? Let's get some background going right now. Some little coral right now, some big ones. Open it up there, yeah. Shade in there, little spots, little colorful spots. I'm just going to shade those in. All right. Let's just have one in the back, one in the front there, and that's another one, a smaller one, another one further back. And the ones sometimes I put in little shading so it gives a little depth. Let's make a small one in the front. Again, I'm not erasing, as you know. I'm just drawing right over that area, that sketch. And let's put another one, a small one in the back, and that's a little bit darker. That's in the background. There you go. All right. Let's add some bubbles now on the other side. Of course, since he's underwater, you gotta have little bubbles. There you go. That's looking good. I like that. All right. I think we finished this one. As always, let's sign and date. And I want to say thanks for watching this video, and make sure you share it with your family and friends. Have a great day.